I just threw some bread out for the birds. The little bitty ones were eating, and then here come these bigger black ones and chased them away. Usually it's the squirrels that chase the birds away, but these larger size, they're not exactly black, but those bigger ones, they chase the little bitty ones away. And nothing I can do about it. See that little one over there? He's just sitting there waiting. Him and his little cousin. Look at him, just sitting over there waiting. If I open this door, I'm going to chase them all away. When I hear the noise, they're all going to run. Watch this. Go ahead, little ones. Hurry up and grab a bite. Hurry, hurry. Yeah, there you go. You got him a little peck. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let me leave them alone and let them do their thing. Bye. Oh, go get your cousin. Tell them to come on. Bye.